Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to do a sales order import. Sales order import is a great feature in IQ Reseller that can help wholesalers upload 50, 100, 500, or 1,000 lines, or even more, up to 4,000 lines onto our sales order. It's a great way so when you're sending out a bid list and you don't want to go and re-add all those lines line by line, you can just automatically upload that bid list right into IQ Reseller. It's real simple to do. And so if we go to Sell, we go to SO Import, and we're going to select that file. But first I'm going to show you that file so you see the required fields that are needed. You need inventory ID, you need item number, you need manufacturer, description, quantity, and then of course the unit price or the offer price of which you're going to sell those items for. So we're going to close that out now. First step that you got to do is select that Excel file. So we're going to hit select, and I'm going to grab my file here now. All right, we're going to select the client that we're selling to. It's going to be Chase Consulting. Okay, even though it's black and yellow, which is good, we still want to remap these over. So we're going to unmap all, and you're going to work from right to left. You're going to go description to description, and all I'm going to do is select the data fields of where I want them to go into IQ Reseller here. So I did description, item number already, and inventory ID. So let's do manufacturer now, quantity to quantity, and unit to unit price. That's my sale price. Now we're going to click Save. Been validated, the information looks good. So now what we're going to do is click import. And as this is bringing everything through, we're going to get a notification, as you can see here, that sales order 1161 has been created. And this will auto reserve the product right to the sales order. So then all you're going to have to do now is send the pick list out to your warehouse team, and everything's been already reserved to that sales order. And here we see 1161. If I open this up, here are all my elite books that I just sold to Chase Consulting. It uploaded the unit price, and it auto-reserved everything as well because you had that inventory ID number. You can see all that information carried through as well.